Our create pause panel is working now, so we can get rid of this stuff that was commented out. The other thing is, though, I'm not happy with you know, having a whole bunch of, it looks like I'm passing in a whole bunch of parameters to this method. That's never a good thing, or rarely a good thing. And it seems, and I'm having to do a lot of, you know, talking to the panel to get it set up. I'm really not that happy with that either. So what I'd like to do is just, if I subclass this pause panel, like make an X pause panel, Y pause panel, and a Z pause panel, then each of those will know what to do for, you know, as far as their title and all of that stuff, and you know, they can do all this setup stuff. I think that'll make life easier. So I'm gonna create a new, let me do it from here, a new Java class. I'll call it XPause, or yeah, I'm going to call it XPause panel because I want to distinguish if I ever decide to do like rotation, an X rotation panel or something like that. So let's do that, and that extends, and also it makes it clear that it's coming from the pause panel. What do I need here? Pause panel can't be applied because the constructor's wrong. Okay. Oh, it's not letting me make it though. So let's just go and do this. So I'll start out like this, and this is going to be an XPause panel. Let's see. And I'm going to say super transformer listener. Really? Is that? Okay. And now let's take a look at this setup stuff that we have to do here. So to set up the panel, we have to do this jazz. So I'm going to get rid of my P1 dot. I'm just going to do a global replace here because I don't need P1 dot anywhere in this class. So now panel title. Well, I know that for my X panel, I know what my panel title is, right? It's going to be like, where's my create? It's going to be this. Okay. And for my left and right icons, okay, because this is for the X now. Hold up. I think what I need is, here's my left, and here's my right. And I need that create icon method, so let me go get that. Now, in a large-scale project, I actually might, I'm going to copy it for now, and I'm eventually going to completely move it out of here and just have it be in the different, oh, actually, that should be up here, shouldn't it? that needs to be protected so that I can. So I'm going to make this protected so that I can share it with these guys. So now he knows how to do a create icon. So yeah, in a large scale project, something like create icon might be better, like moved out into a utility class or something, so you can use it all over the place. But I'm pretty much restricting the use of icons, I think, to these little panels. So I think eventually, like if I'd moved all the rotation stuff out, that I would only need icons in these panel things. So let's see. So now, so that looks like, yeah, basically everything I need, right? So I want to do something similar then for the Y and Z. Let's test out the XPOS panel first. So let's go here. Where am I saying pause panel? Or where am I saying? Oh, you know what? I'm doing that in my create pause panel, right? What if I do this? jpanel p1 equals new xpos panel, and what do I need for arguments to that? I need the transformer, and I need this field, which is a change listener, right? So let's see if that works. I'm going to just double check and make sure that I'm my main project. Yeah, that so I am using, this is my main project. And see if X is still working. Yep. Okay. So now let's make a Y panel and a Z panel. What the heck? All right. So so I'm just selecting all and copying it. Oops, what happened here? Oh, I didn't need image icon. Cool. Oh yeah, because I'm doing that in the super class. Okay, so select all, copy, new Java class, YPOS panel. Oh, I messed up. I control C'd when I should have control V'd. Okay, so this needs to be Y, and this needs to be Y. Okay, but, oops. But now instead of left, right, let's see, what do those guys want to be? Okay, so the icons are going to be up, down, right? And this is Y increment. And so then this becomes jpanel p2 equals new YPOS panel with, this time it wants to be a Y transformer. And let's make a Z. this wants to be Z increment, and instead of up down, I think it's in out. Yeah, in out. In and out. Okay. And so that wants to be and I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, and let's make sure it works. Yep, everything looks good. So now, actually, we can get rid of all of these guys, can't we? Up, down, left, right, in, out. We don't need anymore, so let's make sure. Oh! Maybe we do. How do we get ourselves in trouble here? So... Oh, because I got rid of the... Oh, so those are used for rotation as well. Okay. So we might eventually... Oh, wait, but it's saying I'm not using up, down, though. So I'm not using up, down, or in, out, but left and right are used for rotation. Okay, so I got rid of this. Got rid of some lines there. So you see we're cleaning up our... What is this? Why is this yellow? Oh, that was just highlighted. So you see how we're actually... This is a lot neater than having to do all this business too, right? So let's just double check. Yeah, see, we needed the left-right icons for all the rotation stuff. But we are definitely making progress, and now we've isolated all of the action for as far as you know, the controls for X, Y, and Z motion. We've isolated them now to these panels. So now we can go to work on these panels and replace buttons with J sliders.